Listen, if you've been struggling to burn fat, lose weight, or just feel stuck with boring workouts, I've got something powerful for you. Today, I'm going to give you a 10-minute fat-burning HIIT workout that requires no equipment, no gym, and absolutely no excuses. And here's the best part. This workout is designed to torch calories, boost metabolism, and keep your body burning fat even after you stop exercising. In just 10 minutes a day, you can melt stubborn fat, improve stamina, and finally see results without spending hours at the gym. So if you're serious about transforming your body, stick with me until the end, because I'll also give you a 7-day fat-burning action plan to keep you consistent and motivated. Ready? Let's go. Here's how today's workout is going to look. We'll do 8 simple exercises, each for 40 seconds of work, followed by 20 seconds of rest. That makes it a perfect 10 minutes. The key here is intensity. Push yourself hard during the work intervals, then recover quickly. This is how HIIT works its magic. Let's break it down. 1. Jumping jacks. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. This is your warm-up and calorie-burning starter. Keep your arms wide, land softly, and breathe. Focus on controlled movement, not sloppy speed. Think of this as waking up your body's fat-burning engine. 2. High knees. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Now it's time to raise your heart rate. Drive your knees up to your chest as fast as you can. Pump your arms for more momentum. Don't just jog, really explode with each step. 3. Squat jumps. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. This will light up your legs and skyrocket calorie burn. Go into a deep squat, then jump as high as you can. Land softly to protect your knees. If jumping is too much, just do regular squats with power. 4. Mountain climbers. Your core is going to love this one. Get into a plank position and drive your knees toward your chest. Keep your hips low and your pace fast. Imagine you're running up a mountain, except you're flat on the ground. 5. Burpees. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Yes, the exercise you probably hate, but trust me, it works. Squat down, kick your legs back into a plank, do a push-up, and jump up. If the push-up is too much, skip it and just focus on speed. This is one of the best full-body fat-burning moves on the planet. 6. Push-up to shoulder tap. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Now we combine strength and cardio. Do a push-up, then tap each shoulder with the opposite hand. This keeps your core tight and prevents swaying. If push-ups are tough, drop to your knees, but keep moving. 7. Lunge jumps. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. This move will challenge your legs and balance. Start in a lunge, then jump and switch legs mid-air. Land softly and keep your chest up. If this is too much, just step back into lunges quickly. 8. Plank jacks. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. This is the final burner before cool down. Get into a plank, then jump your feet in and out like a jumping jack. Keep your core engaged, don't let your hips sag. This move combines abs plus cardio in one shot. Okay, cool down. Take deep breaths, walk around slowly, stretch your arms and legs. Congratulations, you just completed a 10-minute fat-burning HIIT workout. But wait, we're not done yet, because even the best workout can fail if you fall into common mistakes. Before you repeat this workout tomorrow, let me save you some frustration. Here are the top 5 mistakes most people make with HIIT workouts. 1. Going too fast too soon. You don't need to kill yourself in round 1. Pace yourself so you can finish strong. 2. Poor form. Remember, quality beats speed. Bad form leads to injuries and wasted effort. 3. Skipping rest. Rest is part of HIIT. If you don't recover properly, you won't be able to push at max effort. 4. Doing it every day without recovery. HIIT is powerful, but your body needs time to adapt. 5. ignoring diet and sleep. No workout can out-train a bad diet or lack of sleep. Your fat-burning results depend on recovery and nutrition. All right, let's turn this into a habit. Here's your 7-day fat-burning action plan. Day 1, do this full 10-minute HIIT workout. Day 2, go for a 20-minute brisk walk or light yoga, active recovery. Day 3, repeat the 10-minute HIIT workout. Day 4, rest day, focus on stretching or foam rolling. Day 5, do the HIIT workout again, but push harder than day 1. Day 6, active recovery, jump rope, cycling, or a light jog. Day 7, final round, go all out with the HIIT workout and track your progress. By following this plan, you'll not only burn fat, but also build consistency, the real secret behind fitness success. So you see, fitness doesn't have to be complicated. Just 10 minutes a day with the right intensity can transform your body. So here's your challenge. Commit to this 7-day plan and comment below after you complete it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a workout. Remember, your body won't change by chance. It changes by choice. And today, you made the right choice. Now go crush that workout, and I'll see you in the next video.